So solving yet again a question of indefinite integration. See, depends. If you got the idea how to do it, it's a simple question. Otherwise, it may take a lot of time to solve it. That's true for almost every good question of indefinite integration. See, but one thing is very clear about it. If I start with substituting x square by t, and that we had been doing it again and again in almost every question, the method of substitution. The reason is very simple. You have x square everywhere, 1, 2, 3, wherever you have x square, and the derivative of x square is present along with dx also. Okay, so when you differentiate it, you have 2x dx, which can be replaced easily by dt. So therefore we can write our integral as 2x dx is dt e raised power t minus 1 upon t plus 1 whole cube, and with respect to t. Okay, now here again, see, it may take, again I will say, some time. If you miss few things, so I will say let t plus 1 be z here. Okay, see, in denominator you have t plus 1 cube. If I replace it with single term polynomial z cube, it's easier. That's what the thought process when I thought about it. It gets easier to simplify it. Okay, but then when I wrote it, then I realized it really got much simpler than what I expected. So I is, so e raised to the power t, so t is z minus 1, so e raised power z minus 1, t z minus 1, so it's z minus 2, and there I got the idea. Bachcho, now can you people see that happening? Which form? A very special form that we learned when we learned our integration by parts. And what is it? E raised to the power t f of t plus its derivative f dash t dt. Its integral is direct e raised power t into f of t plus c. We can derive it in two lines with the help of integration by parts. Derivation is not important here. So that's what I saw here, bachcho. So I will write it here. So therefore I am writing my e here. So I will bring this minus 1 out of it. So 1 by e raised to power z upon z cube minus 2 upon z cube dz. So this is nothing but I is equal to 1 upon e raised to the power, I am sorry, this is z 1 upon z square minus 2 upon z cube. And now we have it, bachcho. This is f of z and this is its derivative. So the answer is 1 by e raised power z upon z square plus c, replace z by t plus 1. So 1 by e raised power t plus 1 upon t plus 1 whole square plus c, and then t plus 1. Achha, now this 1 by e and 1 gets cancelled. You can write e into e raised power t and that gets cancelled. So the final answer is, where shall I write? I shall write here, bachcho. So the final answer will be e raised power t, which is x square upon x square t plus 1 whole square plus c. So that's the final answer of this integral. So the importance was the use of this concept, this result here. This is again a very important result for indefinite integration, bachcho.